Lori looks out the window. The rain is very heavy. She checks her bag. No umbrella. She needs to get home, but how? Today, let's follow Lori and Alex. They want to go home, but it's raining hard outside. You'll hear real English for borrowing things and talking about the weather, slowly and clearly. One question before we begin. Lori needs an umbrella. She asks her friend at work. She uses 5 words to ask. What are the 5 words? Listen and find out. Let's go.
Oh, wow. Look at the rain. It's so heavy.
Yeah, the weather is so bad today.
I didn't check the forecast this morning. Did you?
No, but it's rainy season. I always carry my umbrella now.
Smart. I forgot mine at home today.
We can share my umbrella. It's small, but let's try.
Thank you. Let's go. Alex, it's really pouring out there.
I know, this rain is really bad.
And I forgot my umbrella at home. I'm sorry.
It's okay, I have mine. I can carry it for both of us.
Thank you. Okay, let's try.
Lori, your shoulder is getting wet.
I know, and your arm is wet too.
This umbrella is too small for 2 people.
I think you're right. We need a different plan.
We can go back inside. Maybe the storm will stop soon.
A storm. Right. It's not just rain, it's a real storm today.
Yeah, the sky is very dark. I don't think it's going to stop soon.
I have an idea. Do you know Jess? She works on the 3rd floor.
I think so. Short black hair. She usually takes the same elevator as me.
Yes, that's her. She always carries an extra umbrella. Always.
Really, every day?
Every day. She told me once. She never leaves home without 2 umbrellas.
2 umbrellas. That's very careful.
I know. Maybe I can ask her.
Let's try.
But what if she needs it herself today?
It's okay. You can return it tomorrow. That's what borrowing is.
True, but I still feel bad asking.
Don't feel bad, just ask. It's not a big thing.
You're right. Okay, I'll go ask her.
Go, I'll wait here.
Hi, Jess. Sorry to bother you.
Oh, Lori. Hey, what's up?
It's raining really hard outside. Did you bring 2 umbrellas today?
I did. I always bring 2.
I forgot my umbrella at home. Can I borrow your umbrella?
Of course. Here, take it.
Thank you so much. I'll return it tomorrow morning, I promise.
Don't worry about it. Keep it for today.
Thank you, Jess. You're very kind.
No problem. Stay dry out there.
She said yes?
She said yes, and she didn't mind at all.
That's great. I'm glad you asked.
It's easy when you just ask. That's all it takes.
I'm going to check the forecast every morning from now on. No more surprises.
And I'm going to keep a spare umbrella at the office, right next to my desk.
That's a good plan. Okay, let's go. I want to be dry again. That's the end of our story. Lori and Alex made it home, thanks to Jess and her extra umbrella. And now you know what to say when you need to borrow something. You also know how to talk about the weather in English. Watch it again. The first time you followed the story. The second time you'll catch every word. Do you remember the question from the beginning? Lori needed an umbrella. She asked her friend at work. She used 5 words to ask. What were the 5 words? Write your answer in the comments. I read every comment and I'll reply to you in English. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more slow and easy stories. Thank you for watching. See you next time.